I want you to name the sound.
It sounds like some sort of like grapple, like gun. Oh, Spider-Man.
Yep.
The web.
Yep, that's correct.
That's good.
That's quick.
Looking for.
Is it some sort of aircraft?
No. It's a weapon.
Infinity Gauntlet?
The Thor's hammer, Mjolnir.
Yep, that's correct.
Eh.
The sound.
Ratchet and Clank. Pacific Rim.
Nope. I want you to name the sound.
Wait, that sounds like the Reaper from Mass Effect. That sounds like Ratchet and Clank. What is that? I know what that is. Cloverfield?
Is it War of the Worlds?
Nope.
I know what that is.
You guys will know what it is, so you can beat yourself up.
Arrival?
Nope.
It's like this huge spacecraft thing, though.
It's from Star Wars Episode 2, Attack the Clones. It's a seismic charge from Jango Fett's.
Oh, jeez.
Slave 1.